Hi, in this short video we will create a simple authentication method using Supabase. To start, head over to Authentication settings and create a new external method. And here select the Supabase Auth. Here you can change the appearance and set up everything. Let's rename this. Something like Custom Auth Supabase. I will keep the default icon, but you can change it here. And here, you need to select the team to which the user will be assigned to. Now, to get the project reference ID, we need to go to the dashboard of the Supabase and head over to Settings. Here, you can simply copy the reference ID and paste it back here. To get the API key, we need to head over to Supabase and select the API. And here you can copy the API key to your clipboard and paste it here. Click Save, and that's pretty much it. You can customize the appearance of your authentication page. For instance, you can disable all the methods and leave just the Supabase. Let me bring them back just to see how it will look like. Now let's test everything. Let's get back to the Supabase and create a separate user to test. Here in the authentication settings, we can create a new user. Let's use test user at jetadmin.io and some sort of a simple password, and make sure that you have this auto confirm user. Now let's close those pop-ups and open up an incognito browser instance. Here, click on Supabase, paste in the test user, and then his password. Now let's click on Login, and everything seems to be working. We logged in. Let's double check that our user got properly created. Head over back to the admin panel and click on Users, and here it is. Let me show you just one more thing. We actually store the user token that we got from Supabase so you could use it later. Here, for instance, you can use it in your queries, just like this. And that's pretty much everything I wanted to show. Subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next video.